Hey folks, Rob, Tree Ranch Homestead. A few things going on today. This is Tuesday, I believe the 17th. Today the 17th?
I do believe so.
She says the 17th. A few things going on. We have a goat that's about ready to give birth. Another new addition to the homestead, farmstead, farm, whatever, you know. But let's get on with the day. I gotta start feeding with the animals. So let's get feeding. Last night I picked up eggs. Haven't taken out my feed bucket yet, but hey, look at that. Little bantam egg. I think Karen finally laid an egg. Oh well. Still getting eggs. What, mama? You're not even a mama. You've never even given birth here. But we call you mama. Yeah, you better run. Oh. Yep. A dog. Anatolian Great Pyrenees. Well, doesn't want to stick around. He wants to be outside. She likes to eat the chicken feed. They like to eat the goat feed. Well, coming to an end there. They're about done. Snow hit us. It's wet. They got about all the grass done. Time to move them into a winter pasture lot, which we're going to move them over in this area. There's an area that dirt goats haven't been on. They'll be on some of the goat area, but they'll move into a small section, have the old bro pen for winter, and of course then back here. But we'll close off the pasture here in a day or two. So that's it with them being out there. So yeah, Anatolian Shepherd, and Great Pyrenees, got from another homestead that is not on YouTube. They raise dogs, livestock guardian dogs and goats, and they use the guardian dogs as a form of income, along with doing gig jobs. It's kind of a different story, but you know, I get it. But he's gonna be around. I don't know if he'll make our channel famous like other people get famous channels because of a guard dog, but yeah, we're gonna see if he wants to hang out with me. I don't think so. He'll probably hang out with Melody and Lydia, but he really wants to be outside. I don't know. We'll see if he wants to stay out today. Gotta feed some more stuff. What? So Riker here, he will be ending up going in with our goats. And what? You're not too camera shy. What do you want to do? Come on. Well, before I make everyone dizzy. But yeah, he'll be in with our goats. He will be their guardian. That's where he'll be. We'll go from there. All right, more stuff to do. Let's keep moving. Yeah, we gotta keep moving. And just got done feeding the rabbits. You don't know that, but I'm telling you that I did. So gotta go back in here in the garage, kick all the chickens out because the chickens are in here when they're not supposed to be. And they all just left. All right, I gotta grab more food. I'll get back on the outside. Okay, got some feed. Feed the ducks and chickens out the east side today and see what they do. Oh, geez. Low battery. I'm gonna fix this because I gotta see what I'm doing. There. So I'm not that efficient. See, the dog's still eating the chicken feed. I say that he can't get food out of his bowl because she got him one of those bowls that they can't scarf it all down. Well, here he is eating chicken feed. He was in there eating cat food, which he's not supposed to eat. Yeah, gotta get a different bowl for him so he eats his own food, not chicken feed. All right, got him off the chicken feed. Well, now he's eating it out of the bucket. This is great. Okay, let's see if he follows. So, going to the chicken coop, and then we'll do an update on the goats. I'm doing a progression of Minnie. Minnie is about ready to give birth. She's sitting there right now. Let me show you. There's Minnie right there. She's got a bunch of mucus and whatever. Okay, let's release the clucking. And there's quackins in here too. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, time for fall cleaning. What's up, ducks? The quackers that don't quack. They're tactical. I'm going to train them to take out people. That one I'm definitely keeping. Or is it? Maybe it's this one. No, one of these I'm keeping. But that's Mama. She's been doing well. Okay, gotta go feed the chickens. A lot of people are not getting eggs. We're still getting eggs. That's 4. I mean, for the morning, we haven't even started the day yet. But we'll probably get a few more. And they lay all over. We got a few in here. Alright. If anyone saw my pleasure of goats, having goats, this is what they do. They just whine non-stop. Right? So all you guys do is whine? Need some cheese with that? Yeah, he does. But they have hay. They're just whining. How you doing, Minnie? Patch is over there looking at me because she knows I really don't like her attitude towards everyone. There's Moonbeam. Frankie. Weasel's over there. Yeah, the Zappa family. What, Curly? You got something else to say? No? Yeah? Ryan. Hey, Ryan. She's not down with the sickness anymore. That's from an earlier video. Alright, gotta feed the pigs. What a sloppy mess. Alright, let me feed them. I'll get back to you. Pigs are being fed. Happy pigs. All the processing dates are pretty much gone. Not a lot around out there. I forgot to get processing dates. I'm waiting a couple weeks. Hopefully they go off. They're going to go in a little bit lean. But that's okay. Vinny's getting brave over there. Well, my battery died. So you didn't see what else happened. But hey, not much. We got to go over to the feed store. Go get that stuff taken care of. Go from there and see what's going on. Black Mama's out over by the other goats. This is odd. Hold on. Mama. There she is. I haven't put the video out, but we did finish the goat house. We're not completely done. That's why the goats are over here now. Let me jump in. You want to go in there? You want to be in there? I can get you in there. Okay, hold on. Maybe we'll get her in there. Well, tried. She didn't want to go. We'll get her in there anyways. But there's the new goat house. It is 8 by 17. It's all steel from the free steel we got. I still have tons of work to do on it. I have to go in there and cut this back down. Cut that off. That extra. Get in here. We also, hey boo, got a couple other things to do. I need to add 2 more rafters inside. It's sagging a little bit, but it's not too bad. We put a couple feeders on each side. I got my mineral feeder. We have a hanging bag, needs to be filled, and a water straw base and protein bucket over there. I'm probably moving too fast, but this is where it is. This is their new home. It's pretty decent size. It should do well. Chicken's already found it. Right, Curly? I'll continue this video in a little bit. But yeah, we're going to drive over to McCarthy's feed and get some feed, and I'll kind of put some video of us coming into that place and whatever. We'll go from there. All right. What's up, Lydia? No? What's up, Lydia? No. Okay, we're at McCarthy's. Let's see what we can do here. What do you think, Lydia? We're at the feed part. Ordered our stuff. Now they just gotta get it to us. Yep. What do you think, Lydia? Think she can back up? I don't. That's right, Lydia. She didn't get in the right one. We want the one with no mud. She's gonna try again. Let's see if she can do it. Oh, that's a ton of glare. What do you think, kid?
Yeah.
No? You think she's gonna pull it off? She's gonna pull it off? Okay. Yeah, she's right behind me. Let's see. Maybe she'll hit me. She go hit me?
No.
No? Okay. All right. Full car. Now we're going to be taking off. Something else to do. Well, folks, end of the day. Riggs did all right. He stayed inside, but every time we come out, he comes out with us. He's gone to a few areas. He's been around our birds. He's been around the goats. And back, he doesn't like the goats in the main goat area. Nope, now he's just go follow me. Because we got a light on. But, yeah, we decided to call him Riggs. I think it's a better name. It's more fitting. Rolls off the tongue. Right? Yeah. So that's it today on the homestead. Feeding animals. We found them tonight. Just finished locking up everyone. And went to the grain bin and a few other things. But that's it for today. All right. We'll see you next time around. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Those that have subscribed lately, I really appreciate it. We hit our goal of 25 people by the end of the year. Hopefully we stay at that number that we're at. I think we're at 28. I'm pretty darn happy, to be honest. It's pretty much just us recording what we're doing here, so I have a record. And if someone learns something, that's great. So, see you around. Thanks again. Bye.